Let us solve this question today. In a body-centered cubic arrangement, ion A plus occupies the center while the ion of element B, that is B minus, occupies the corner of a cube. Find out the formula of a compound or the crystal. Now, suppose this red ball represents B minus ion and this brown color ball represents A plus ion. Taking the example as Cl minus ion and Cs plus ion. Now, all the corners of this cube is occupied by red ball. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top and 1, 2, 3, 4 at the bottom. There are total 8 corners and all the corners are occupied by B minus ion. For example, Cl minus ion, that is chloride ion. Now, to solve this problem, you have to count the number of ions per unit cell. Suppose if Cl minus ion occupies all the corners of the unit cell, then the total number of chloride ion present in this cube is 8 because there are 8 corners, and that is why, since all the corners are occupied by the B minus ion, so the total number of B minus ion in this cube is 8. And you know that the corner in a cubic unit cell, corner is common between 8 unit cell. It means it contributes only 1/8 part of it in this for this particular unit cell. So now let us count the number of atom per unit cell or number of ions per unit cell in this cubic unit cell. Since there are 8 chloride ion in this unit cell, total number of corners are 8 and hence the total number of B minus ion or chloride ion is 8. Number of chloride ion or B minus ion present in this unit cell is 8 because they are occupying the corner position, and contribution of the corner is only 1/8 times in this unit cell, and that is why 1/8 of 8 will give you 1. It means chloride ion contributes only 1 atom per unit cell in this type of cubic unit cell. Now, let us count the number of A plus ion, which is represented by this brown color ball. This is placed at the body centered position, and body centered position is isolated for this unit cell only, and hence the number of A plus ion per unit cell comes out to be 1 because it is isolated for this unit cell only. So let us centered position. So the ratio of A plus ion to the B minus ion will be equal to 1:1, and hence the formula of the compound will be AB. For example, the ratio of cesium ion and chloride ion comes out to be 1:1, and the formula of the compound is CsCl. Now, let us understand this example. This is a type of unit cell which is classified as AB type. This question is based on the AB type of ionic crystal, and the example is cesium chloride, where cesium is placed at the body centered position and chloride ion occupies the corner of the cube. Here the size of the chloride ion is smaller as compared to the cesium ion, and since the cesium ion is larger in size, that is why it is placed at the body centered position. Now, let us count the coordination number of this cesium ion in this unit cell. Cesium ion is placed at the body centered position, and that is why the total number of chloride ions surrounding this cesium ion will be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 at the top and 1, 2, 3, 4 at the bottom. So the coordination number of this cesium ion is equal to 8. Now what will be the coordination number of the chloride ion? Common between how many unit cell? It is common between 8 unit cell. And this corner is surrounded by 2 types of particle. Here the chloride is placed at the another corner. The distance between the 2 chloride ions, it is known as Agilon, which is longer as compared to the distance between the cesium ion and the corner atom. Let us see this one, this distance. This distance is shorter as compared to the edge length. So the coordination number is defined as the number of nearest neighbor. Which atom is nearest neighbor of this corner atom? Whether cesium ion or whether it is chloride ion which is placed at the another corner of this cube. This distance is larger. That is why it will not be included in the coordination number. The nearest neighbor of this chloride ion is all the cesium ion which are placed at the 8 different cube in which this atom is common. It is divided between 8 parts. It is divided into 8 parts and each part belongs to different 8 unit cell. And each unit cell contains cesium ion at its center. And that is why this corner will be surrounded by 8 cesium ion present in different 8 unit cell, and because they are placed at shorter distance as compared to the chloride ion which is placed at longer distance in the unit cell. So each chloride ion will be surrounded by 8 cesium ion present at the center of different 8 unit cell in which this corner atom is common. And each cesium ion will be surrounded by 8 corner atoms placed at the 8 corner atoms, that is chloride ion, in a given unit cell because it is placed at the body centered position. So hence the coordination number of this chloride ion is 8 and the coordination number of this Cl ion is also 8. This chloride ion is surrounded by 8 cesium ion placed at the center of different 8 unit cell, and hence the coordination number of this chloride ion is 8 and the coordination number of this cesium ion is also 8. Each cesium ion is surrounded by 8 chloride ion and each chloride ion will be surrounded by 8 cesium ion. And this type of crystal lattice belong to ionic crystal lattice is classified as AB type of crystal lattice, where the ratio of A is to B comes out to be 1:1. And the example is cesium chloride. Thank you.